thing behind.
A little bit cold today,
Very cold.
but it's
Beautiful.
That's really cool. Wow.
We have arrived.
Sounds like a bag of rocks.
I must say it's pretty good going from this city to this. And now we actually experienced Japan in like a traditional way. Sorry.
Kawaguchi.
Kawaguchi.
Very overcast today, so you can't actually see a lot of mountain. That's kind of unfortunate because, you know, you're here to see mountains, but it's still extremely pretty. Only issue is the cameras don't capture any of the color.
Because the trees are so yellow and red actually here. Looks
Just
really
for
good.
us to enjoy. We're heading to an ice cave and a wind cave, which is apparently frozen
That'll be cool.
all year round. We're gonna keep going. Here's our little broom broom car. Where they store the eggs, larvae, the silkworms or something. I'm glad this is the end.
Are you happy to go out?
Let's get out of here. After she just said, watch the coffee behind you.
Whoopsie.
We're pretty much in a
We're
cloud
in a
right
cloud. That's crazy.
now. We're at the top of the mountain, on
Right.
top of Lake Kawaguchi.
And we're about to walk to a waterfall called Haha no Shirataki.